Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a tokens video and it's designated tokens number 15 or bag 15. The first coin is actually a token that has a hole in the middle. It's an ACL token or AGL token. There's no numeric value on it, so it was keyed by the fact it had a centre hole. What it was used for, I can only guess at. I don't know, to be honest. I'm not sure what AGL, I don't know if they manufactured things like door entry systems or anything like that. I just don't know, so it'll be purely guesswork. We have a family on the token ALL, and this associated leisure. I think it's associated leisure group. So why it's called ALL, I don't know. We have a nuclear family on the top of the coin, mom, dad, and 2 kids, and the AAL. And it says 1185, and under an embossed oblong underneath the 1185 we have a punched P2. What this refers to, I don't know. It is a bog standard token though. Again, I don't know what the leisure group mainly dealt with. Here we have a PRW coin or token. It has a hole drilled in the top. It has the same initials on both sides. I don't know if the hole was for it to be put onto a chain or something like that. Now I know many years ago the miners used to use a similar system to this, and they used to take, when they went underground, they took the token off the chain and handed it to somebody in charge that stayed in the pit head, and then when they came up from the end of their shift they were given the token back that they put on the chain around the neck. Now I don't know if that's for a similar type of thing or not. Bell fruit. Now this is actually, I do know where these come from. They're from machines for clubs and what have you that had gaming machines in them. There was one club that my nan used to belong to called the Westmead Country Club, and they used these bell tokens at one point. Down fire alarm. Here we have a keyed token. Not sure what this was keyed for or what it was used for. The 3 keys are on the top on one side and on the bottom on the other side. Now, whether this was a special keying system, which it obviously was, but what sort of machine would have had that sort of, or wanted that sort of security, I don't know. This is Conco, and I believe Conco is an oil company, and it's a Silver Jubilee token. I don't know whether it was the Silver Jubilee for the company or whether it's a Silver Jubilee as in the 1977 Silver Jubilee for Her Majesty the Queen. Don't know. But it's a Silver Jubilee token. This is a plastic type coin, but it's a token. It's from GB Toys, and it has a value of 5. Now this I think would probably have been in a play set or issued as part of a play set. You know, the ones for the where you had a shop or a post office and you had coins to, that you gave people in the change, something along those lines. This one's a Reader's Digest coin. Now there are a few of these coins made in the 80s and I never found out exactly why they were issued. I don't know if you save so many up that you got a free book or something like that. I just don't know. But I've seen a few of them about. We have another gaming machine from Bell Fruits. And we have a second one. So those are two Bell Fruits 10p tokens. The next one is, this is a good luck token. It's from Canary Row. Not sure what it's a good luck for. That's the way it goes up. Good luck. You then have some birds and a souvenir on the bottom. And then you've got the designation Canary Row. I don't know if that's by the Canary Wharf area. I don't know. And the last one in this coin hunt, or in this token hunt, is a token from Eurocoin Tokens London. Again, I wouldn't know what these, it's the same on both sides. I don't know what this was used for, to be honest. It could have been any number of things. There's no security features in it, so again, I would be purely guessing to say what that token was for. That ends this particular token hunt. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have enjoyed it, could you please give me the thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, could you please think about doing so. I'm looking to try and get to 425 by the end of this year. I'm currently on around about 285, I think it is, and we're now at the end of February, so any help you can give me would be gratefully received. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum of 4 videos a week, but just recently I've been doing 6. I hope you'll find something in those videos that you can watch and enjoy. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you for staying to the end, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.